Hey, what's up, iCoinPro friends? It's Aaron Parker here. I just had to shoot a quick testimony video for iCoinPro. Bear with me. I'm going to try to keep this short, but I got a lot of important information to share with all the other iCoinPro members out there. You know, I actually joined back in the beginning with iCoinPro many years ago. Didn't do anything with it, like most people, maybe many of you. How many of you can relate? How many of you, when iCoinPro first launched, you got in, you're like, man, this is awesome, and then you did nothing, or even quit, right? Like a lot of people did. And what's happening now is kind of a resurrection. It's kind of a relaunch, a rebirth with the Powerline marketing system. And of course, just the commitment that Justin Clark has for this product, for this community is unbelievable. So shout out to Justin, give him some thanks down in the comments down below. But what's happening now with this relaunch, rebirth, of the Powerline marketing system, and with the new enhancements, if you haven't been paying attention, Justin is launching some really big things for the iCoinPro members to help to simplify even more the entire process of trading crypto. And in my opinion, iCoinPro is the most simplified platform, the most simple and the most lucrative way for anyone to learn how to trade crypto, which is a very valuable asset. It's a very valuable thing for you to learn how to do, to be able to essentially create money, right? When you're trading crypto and you can get in profit, micro profits, hence the micro profit system, you can get in profit with this system making money. And that's exactly what this product does. So imagine an opportunity, right? Many of you have been involved in network marketing companies like I have, but imagine your product actually makes you money, right? I think that's one of the biggest key differences with iCoinPro versus pretty much everything else out there is when you're in network marketing, you're buying a product, a lot of physical products you consume that you enjoy, that you get benefit from that product, which is great. I purchase a ton of physical products from network marketing companies because they're great products. But those products cost you money, right? This product with iCoinPro makes you money. You guys catch that? The product makes you money. So, and it's only $40 a month. That's the other really big thing that makes this so unique, so different, so exciting, is that there's other companies out there that are similar to iCoinPro, of course, but none of them are as simplified as this training platform. The others are way more complicated, and none of them are as affordable. The other similar platforms out there are gonna cost you $100, $200, $300 a month, and you're only gonna pay $40 a month with iCoinPro. And if you get the annual, then you're getting a month free. You're saving $40, which I recommend the annual, by the way. Don't have to worry about making a monthly payment. Just pay your membership once a year. Save $40 a year. It's the way to go. You can log into your back office, upgrade to annual at any time. I recommend that. But anyway, iCoinPro is poised to become the #1 hottest, most successful crypto trading product in the world. And I don't want you to take that lightly. I want you to take advantage of this opportunity. Now, guys, we can't make income claims, okay? So I'm not making income claims. Disclaimer, results not typical. But I just want you to understand that since I got back involved with iCoinPro, which just happened about 2 or 3 months ago, I want you to listen carefully to what happened. I only worked the business by referring other members for 3 weeks. For 3 weeks, I put in quote unquote work. And in those 3 weeks, I was able to create a team, a small team, an amazing team with iCoinPro. And this company continues to pay me thousands of dollars per month without me doing anything. All I do is maintain my monthly membership. I refer at least one new person a month, so I get in that bonus pool, the monthly bonus pool. Get in the bonus pool. The monthly bonus pools are exciting. And so my testimony is this. I just worked the business for 3 weeks and I'm still getting paid thousands of dollars a month for literally doing nothing. Thank you, Justin Clark, okay, for creating the most simplified crypto trading platform in the world and helping people make money without recruiting. That's the last thing I'll say on that, is the product, you actually make money. When you use the product, you got to learn it, you got to use it, and you make money trading crypto using the membership, using the product without having to recruit anyone. Now, if you do want to recruit, go for it. I mean, why wouldn't you, right? How many people out there would like to be able to generate income and get paid daily trading cryptocurrency? That's what this product offers. And so, of course, you want to go tell the world. And when you do, and you bring other members in, guess what? You're going to start building a team of members and other affiliates. And that's how I've been able to create a residual that pays me thousands of dollars a month. And all I did was put in 3 weeks of work. And I'm still getting paid thousands every month. So remember, income, disclaimer, results not typical, right? You got to put in the work. Nothing's easy. If it was so easy, everyone would do it. But don't be average. Make a choice. If I can do it, you can do it. I believe in you. If you're excited about iCoinPro, and you really should be, drop a like, drop a comment. Don't miss this. Let's go.